Good morning, students. Have a wonderful day. In our previous class, we have discussed about the lesson What is my name? So, the conversation between her husband and a housewife is going on, right? So, let us see the continuation of this lesson. It's all right. You're an educated woman. Your name must be on the certificates. Don't you have that much common sense? Go and find out, he advised her. So the husband advised her wife that uh, your name must be written on your certificates. You should have that common sense. So go and search for your certificates, he advised. The housewife searched frantically for her certificate in the almara. Patur sari, chiffon saris, handloom saris, woolly saris, matching blouses, petticoats, bangles, beads, pearls, pins, kumkum burnies, silver plates, silver containers to keep sandalwood paste, ornaments, all things arranged in an orderly fashion. Now, here, could she find her certificate? Yes, after marriage, she had never bothered to carry those certificates here. So, all the matching blouses, saris, chiffon saris, all saris will be arranged in an order way in a almara. And even though after marriage, she had never bothered about her study certificates. Yes, I haven't bought them here. I shall go to my place, search for my certificates, and inquire about my name, and return in a couple of days. She asked her husband's permission. Very nice. Must you go just for your name or what else? If you go, you will scrap the house these 2 days. So she asked permission to go to her place and search for her certificates and inquire about her name. And he is replying that, are you really going to search for your name or anything else? Every husband will say in that manner only, no? She is replying that yes, that was true because she scrubbed better than the others. She had not allowed anyone else to do that job all these days. Everyone was busy with their own respective duties. He had his office. Poor things, the children had the studies to take care of. Why should they bother about this chore? And she had been doing it all along. They just didn't know how to do it, of course. But still, how to live without knowing one's name? It was all right all these days, since the question had not occurred to her. Now, just for 2 days, you manage somehow or other. Until and unless I go and get my name, I shall find it difficult to live. She pleaded with her husband and managed to get out of the house. So, anyhow, the housewife managed her husband to do the things in anywhere else, and no one will stay without her own identity, no. So how can I stay without my identity? So I must know my name and give me permission of 2 days. I'll go to my uh, place and search my name. So the housewife entered to her own place. Why, dear daughter, have you come so suddenly? Are your children and husband all right? Why have you come alone? It's a question of a parents. Why you came alone? how is your children and husband? Is there all right? Why you came alone? The parents asked housewife. So every parent will ask in the same manner, right? Uh, if we go to our Amma's house with the family members, no one will ask any queries. If we go a single, many doubts will arise in their minds. So this is how their parents asked her. So let us see continuation in our next session. Thank you.